All right, we're at the Toledo Library. Haughton. Look at the lantern. That's cool. Oh, this is pretty. Wow. Down to parking.
Parking level, small business and nonprofit, community room, parking.
Will that light up? No. Wonder, can you see out? No, you can't see out the vent. These are beautiful elevators though. We'll do one more ride down and back up.
Second floor, human resources, administration.
Go back down to a P.
Parking level, small business and nonprofit, community room, parking.
First, we'll take a different one back up. There's a bunch of elevators here.
Small business and nonprofit, community room, parking.
We'll go up to 2.
Second floor, human resources, administration.
This is cool. And let's see the down. Oh, there's an Epco, and look, there it says down. Whoa, hold up. Anyway, look at this beautiful building. That is going to be all.